Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold7 and Z Flip7 will launch in early July. According to a new report from South Korean publication The Jungong, Samsung will hold an in-person event in New York at the start of the month, which aligns with previous leaks. Last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 were announced on July 10th, so it would make sense for their successors to follow with a similar launch date. The new report also confirms that the Z Flip FE and Samsung's Trifold could also make an appearance at the event. According to the latest rumored specs, both foldables will get the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, paired with 12GB RAM and 256/512GB storage. Both are also expected to boot Samsung's One UI 8 out of the box. Galaxy Z Fold 7 will offer 6.5-inch cover screen and an 8.2-inch main display. The Fold 7 is also rumored to get slimmer, coming in at 4.5mm in its unfolded state and 9.5mm when folded. The phone should get an upgraded 200MP main camera and a 4400 mAh battery with 25W charging. Galaxy Z Flip 7 is said to feature a larger 4-inch cover screen and a 6.85-inch main panel. It will retain the 50MP main and 12MP ultra-wide cameras from the Flip 6 and a marginally larger 4174 mAh battery with 25W charging.